The wellness environment at the University of Vermont is working to provide alternative options and healthier lifestyles for students. Dr. James Hudziak, director of the Wellness Environment, or WE, explains the neuroscience behind the program.
The wellness environment comes from neuroscience about healthy brain development. So the whole premise is, how do we build healthy brains? And a lot of people have sort of reframed it, including university leadership, about it being about drugs and alcohol. But it really is about what are the kinds of things that can increase cortical organization in the regulatory regions of our brain to help us lead more successful lives.
Jeff Redu, Associate Director of the Wellness Environment, says the students in WE are encouraged to use their residence halls as a space to practice what they learn in the required class for students in the wellness environment.
You see students learning this science and they're taking in all this information, and then it's like, well, then we provide an environment, we incentivize an environment where those decisions are the easier decisions to make. And so if you think about, I just learned about how yoga impacts the brain, or I practice mindfulness in beginning and end of every class, and then I have an opportunity to do that in my living environment.
The wellness environment was really cool because it was very unlike other dorms on campus. Everyone is very motivated to better themselves through mindfulness and nutrition and going to the gym, and it's really cool because we have a gym like right over there on the first floor, which is awesome.
Some of Hudziak's work has students outside of the wellness environment benefit from the wellness research.
Are there other ways we could seed some of the wellness activities of the wellness environment to students who don't live in WE? Could you use the app and live in a different dorm and still benefit from these 4 pillars of healthy brain development? All of my work is, don't wait till people are suffering. Instead, build a stronger, healthier brain and a healthier body. So anybody who struggles with eating or struggles with exercise, struggles with anxiety or sadness, struggles with alcohol, and they want to live in an environment that promotes them to engage in healthy behaviors, that's what WE is about.
Hudziak and his team are in the process of releasing a smartphone app as part of a study on wellness on December 12th that will help students in and out of WE learn mindfulness.
Right now, we're just trying to distribute all the Apple Watches. We're trying to get people interested and to participate in the study.
Apple Watches are being given to students in the study in order to use the app. Data will be compared between students in WE and students not in WE, with the hope that even though students may not live in the environment, the app still helped them learn how to live a more successful life. It's something that Hudziak often likes to say himself about the program. You've got a friend in WE. This is Callie Bowen reporting from UVM TV.